At Tustin Hearing Center, we believe an educated patient is a successful patient. And today, we're here to teach you how to change the dome on your behind-the-ear hearing aid. If your hearing aid looks like one of these, where it has a part that goes behind your ear and a part that comes down inside your ear, most likely you have another piece like this, and this is what we call a dome. A dome is a little soft rubber piece that helps make the speaker more comfortable in your ear. It directs sound towards your eardrum, and it also protects that speaker from getting too much wax and debris in it. And every once in a while, it's good to change that to keep your ear healthy and clean and to keep the hearing aid working the way it's supposed to. And no matter what your dome looks like, you change it exactly the same way. So your dome is kind of like an umbrella. It comes around the speaker, and your speaker is the stand in the middle. What you want to do is get underneath the dome with your finger and kind of pop it off the speaker. It comes off pretty easily. Then you would take the old dome that you've been using and throw it away, and you can get a new clean dome to put on. Inside the dome there's a little hole, and that's what your speaker is going to go into. So you want to line it up with that center hole and push it straight on. Sometimes it's easier to kind of twist it to make sure it's on tight. That's always a good thing to do as well. If your speaker looks, or your dome looks more like this, it may be a little harder to get a hold of, but it still pops off once you can get underneath it. And the same idea, you want to line it up and either push it straight on or twist it on until it's tight on your speaker. Once it's on tight, you should be able to pull backwards and feel that it's not going to move. I always like to push my thumb firmly on the end to make sure that it's on as far as it possibly can. If you're not sure how to change your dome or what dome size you have and you need help, please feel free to give our office a call, and one of our audiology assistants would be more than happy to help you.